Welcome back, guys. Today we're zooming in on the best DSLR cameras of 2024. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, discover the top picks that will elevate your photography game. Let's capture your best shots yet. Best entry-level full-frame. Canon EOS 6D Mark II. Despite being a full-frame DSLR, the entry-level EOS 6D Mark II is extremely user-friendly. While the casing might feel a little plasticky, the 26-megapixel sensor inside is fantastic, and it has Canon's reliable Dual Pixel CMOS AF technology while in live view mode. With 45 AF points to pick from and a burst speed of 6.5 fps, you can record a wide range of images, including some nice wildlife photos. It isn't quite quick enough for rapid trackside racing images, but we observed in our evaluation that it performs admirably for most other purposes. For those who do not have a joystick, the back touch screen provides tap-to-focus and tap-to-shoot functionality. Regardless, the 6D Mark II is dependable, provides excellent images, and remains a favorite among hobbyist photographers. Additional features include Dual Pixel CMOS AF and a 3.2-inch variable-angle touchscreen LCD panel, as well as built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC for convenient operation. Best flagship, Canon EOS 5D. Mark IV. Canon's EOS 5D series has a long history. The original EOS 5D popularized full-frame photography. The Mark II introduced full HD video capture for the first time on a DSLR, and the Mark III became a photographer favorite for doing everything so well. The EOS 5D Mark IV refines and improves on practically everything that came before it, with a 30.4 megapixel sensor, powerful 61-point AF system, and 4K video capture, all of which worked well in our real-world testing. Canon has ruled out a successor to the 5D Mark V, meaning the Mark IV will remain one of the most enticing DSLRs at this price point. Its 4K video capabilities are quite restricted, with a maximum frame rate of 30 fps and no option for shooting in a flat gamma profile. However, if you're primarily looking for a powerful DSLR for stills shooting, the EOS 5D Mark IV remains a surprisingly current prospect despite its age, and the fact that it's still available new demonstrates its appeal. Best image quality, Nikon D850. Even after several years on the market, it's difficult to find another DSLR that impresses as much as the D850. It's expensive, to be sure, but it's justified by what we uncovered throughout our tests, which included superb image quality, a plethora of functions, and a tough, weather-resistant magnesium alloy body. The 45 megapixel sensor remains one of the greatest in terms of resolution in any DSLR, and the 7 fps burst mode is extremely fast for a camera with this sensor. With a fantastic AF system, excellent handling, and stunning 4K video, its flexibility should be simple to appreciate. Like the sound of the D850 but prefer to go mirrorless? While not precisely a mirrorless version of the D850, Nikon's newer Z7 mirrorless camera has the same 45 megapixel resolution as the D850, but adds some ingenious technology of its own, including an entirely new lens mount. Best sports, Canon EOS 1DX Mark III. Canon's final flagship DSLR, the EOS 1DX Mark III, is a fitting farewell to the company's DSLR branch. The 1DX Mark III is ideal for professionals that want speed, performance, and image quality in a durable compact. In our experiments, we discovered that it could handle practically every event, including sports, animals, and the type of activity that makes top pages. We were really amazed by the 1DX Mark III's capabilities. Its sturdy design feels tough enough to withstand a war zone, and while it's a huge camera, we liked its ergonomics throughout our review. Its performance was never in doubt. With a powerful CPU, a deep buffer, and burst speeds of up to 20 fps, this is a camera that makes no compromises. That is also true of the AF system, which employs deep learning to improve precision. It also has 4K 60p video capturing capabilities, which is useful. It's arguably overkill for the ordinary photographer given its high price tag and feature set. However, it is a genuinely amazing DSLR that is well worth the money for pros. Best Black and White, Pentax K3. Mark III. Monochrome. Monochrome cameras are a small market, but if you're dedicated to photography in black and white, we believe the Pentax K3 Mark III Monochrome is an excellent choice. There's no denying that it's pricey for an APS-C camera without color photography capabilities, but it's less than both the Leica M and Q series monochrome cameras. In our evaluation, we were satisfied with the K3 Mark III monochrome's handling, especially given its size and weight in comparison to the current mirrorless choices. We found it well built, pleasant in the hand, and equipped with a variety of easy access buttons. Together with an LCD on the top plate, these features make the monochrome a delight to shoot with. Our testing also revealed great picture quality, which is supported by superb ISO control. Even at ISO 51200, stills are clean and usable. Additionally, 5-axis in-body image stabilization helps to keep results crisp. It may seem unusual, but the K3 Mark III Monochrome is a well-equipped alternative if you prefer black and white photography, especially if you already own Pentax lenses. Best crop sensor, Canon EOS 90D. The EOS 90D is a significant step forward for the EOS DSLR range. It's the first model of its kind to have a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, which provides enough of pixels for cropping and printing huge images. Unlike the previous 80D, it also supports uncropped 4K video recording, and it features a new processing engine and quicker burst shooting. The 1300-shot battery gives far more power than the ordinary mirrorless camera, and dust and water resistance is an added plus. The 90D's adaptability struck us during our evaluation. It's a terrific all-rounder for folks who enjoy photographing a wide variety of things. It's worth considering whether the advantages of a mirrorless option to the EOS 90D, like as the Canon EOS M6 Mark II, are appealing to you. The M6 Mark II is smaller, cheaper, and has quicker burst fire. However, by emphasizing on essential aspects such as battery life, handling, and a fully articulating backscreen, Canon has developed the EOS 90D, a solid and flexible option for everyone who loves DSLR. That's all for now, folks. We really hope you liked our video. Hey, it's great to subscribe. So please click the bell icon, like and subscribe to get updates on our most recent videos. Also, all product links are mentioned in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you for watching.